Tomorrow morning, we'll stand here in the Pacific Northwest, look up at the moon, and see it darken as it slides into the shadow of the Earth for a total lunar eclipse. But have you ever wondered what a total lunar eclipse would look like if you were actually watching from the moon? Well, thanks to AI-generated images, we have a pretty good idea. The first difference is the sun gets blocked by the Earth, so it's actually a solar eclipse when you watch from the moon. First of all, lunar eclipses happen at full moon as the moon passes behind the Earth in relation to the sun. It usually passes above or below the Earth's shadow, but not this time. Standing on the Earth tomorrow morning, you will see the sun getting near the Earth. Initially, you'll see the edge of the sun's disk going behind the Earth, slowly dimming the sunlight around you. But it still seems bright because you can still see part of the sun's disk. The moon is actually moving into the lighter part of the Earth's shadow called the penumbra. At this point, looking up from the Earth, you would see only indistinct dimming on part of the moon, which is usually hard to notice. Most observers wait for the partial eclipse when the moon will edge into the umbra, the dark part of the Earth's shadow, and from the Earth you'll see a distinct bite taken out of the moon. If you're standing in that bite in the umbra on the moon and looking up, the sun is totally blocked by the Earth. But initially, the dark shadow only hits a small part of the moon, and that's the missing bite. Finally, when the moon is completely in the Earth's shadow, you'll look up and see the night side of the Earth. It'll be surrounded by a glowing ring. The ring is the sunrise-sunset line around the Earth with sunlight scattering and refracting through the atmosphere. This ring is what illuminates the lunar surface during totality and makes it look reddish. The eclipse moon is often called the blood moon because of that coloring. So quite a different look of the eclipse when you're standing on the moon. Actually, one of the other advantages of watching from the moon is the fact that you don't have to worry about clouds spoiling your view of the eclipse. We'll have to wait and see what they do to us tomorrow morning.